Let's start with first gear, everyone. So the model I'm introducing today is from CFMOTO, the 450MT. Let me start by telling you the price. This bike comes in two versions, high-end and low-end, and there's also a 3-compartment version. Honestly, I recommend just going for the high-end version. The current price is $30,580. In August, CFMOTO just released it and dropped the price by another $1,000. Plus, CFMOTO has also launched a price protection campaign. From now until December 31st, if the price drops again, anyone who buys the bike during this period can go to a 4S dealership for compensation. So guys, this is really the best time for us to get this bike. If you pay in full, I checked with the dealership this afternoon and the sales price is about 33,500 yen, which is enough to take the bike home. And if you want genuine accessories, fun-oriented bike, you absolutely need these features. Otherwise, you can't really enjoy riding it, right guys? Now, you can see that both ABS and TC are turned off, guys. Take a look. This is the real feeling of riding for fun that we're after. And since you can turn off the ABS, as you can see, starting off is really easy and light. In certain positions, you can just drift the tail and take off, right? Whether you're hitting small jumps or just messing around, it's definitely more than enough. And you can also see how it performs when doing circles. Even though this bike has a high center of gravity, it's still really easy to do circles with it. You don't need a big lean angle to get the bike down, as you can see. That's the advantage of this bike, guys. If you're a beginner, this bike is definitely more than enough for you. Finally, let me give you all a complete summary. First, who do I recommend this bike to? First, for those who are bored with road riding and want to switch to off-road trails or unpaved roads. Second, for friends who want to do some light off-roading, you can go for this bike with your eyes closed. Because first of all, it's fun to ride, and secondly, its engine displacement and power are relatively gentle, which can reduce the chances of getting injured when you're just starting out. Once you've had enough fun, it's also very safe. So who would I not recommend this bike to? If you usually ride at speeds above 120 km/h, or if you often travel with 3 panniers and a lot of luggage, I suggest you choose another model, or maybe their bigger brother, the 800MT, which is a bit more stable. Alright, that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.